Hello, welcome to my home. We are in the kitchen today. I am Nicole Spence, your wellness empress. And what is going on, yo? I'm feeling good today, Avi, because I am here with you on purpose. And I'm here for that. So, y'all know that I was going to say I'm a snacking, but no, I'm an empress. No, but I love my snacks, yo. I love my snacks. And snacks can either be working for you or against you, okay? If you are someone that likes to munch, if you're a salty gal, or if you're a sweetie, or if you're like me, then you are both. I am both, okay? A sister is both, yo. I love my salts and I love my sweets. So today I'm providing you guys with a great snack that we can feel good about because it helps with the flat belly, it helps for that gut health, it helps for that gut microbiome. And you know what it is? Beans, okay? Legumes, because they are packed with protein and fiber, which is exactly what our body is like. Yes, give me more of. But before we go in, let me just I'm just loving this shirt that I have on today. It's my mommy's shirt. Do you guys ever have, like, your parents, do you have like an item of clothing that you know your parents routinely wear, and when you see it, you're just like, oh, that's them. This is my mom's shirt. I swear she's probably had it for like 30 years, and I snuck it out of the house. So if she's watching this, she's like, oh, that shirt looks familiar. Yep, I got it here with me in Jamaica, so you gotta come here to get it. Ha ha. Anyway, yeah. Let me get back to focus. Snacks. Okay, so go ahead. This is all you're gonna need. It's simple. It's 1, 2, 3. It is a 1, 2, 3. You guys know I don't like to be in the kitchen all day, yo. I got other things to do. So, standard Goya can of beans. Okay, I already have it here in my bowl. I drained it. I rinsed it. Okay, that's that TV magic for you. All right, so now it's just ready to go. All I'm gonna do, this is going right in the air fryer too. If you don't have an air fryer, Baba and I are sorry for you. We love our air fryer. But if you don't have an air fryer, this works in the oven too, okay? This works in the oven as well. But if you put it in the oven, okay, so listen, we're gonna put it in the air fryer for about like 400 degrees, between 375 and 400, okay? I like mine extra crispy, and it'll be in there for about 25 minutes, okay? So if you don't have an air fryer, this can also go in the oven, same temperature, 375 to 400, you just gotta wash it, but you also need to use wax paper, okay? Put some wax paper down and then put these in there, okay? And then throw them in the oven about 25 to 30 minutes, and they come out crispy. So what I'm using here is coconut oil. Why? Because, girl, why are you using coconut oil and not olive oil? Well, because olive oil cannot take the heat, yo. Okay, olive oil can't take the heat, G. Okay, olive oil is more used for salad dressings, okay? It does not have a high smoking point, whereas coconut oil totally has a high smoking point, so therefore we can use it when we're cooking, okay? And coconut oil is the holy grail. I love coconut oil, okay? So I'm just gonna move it all around. Booty start shaking and moving all around. Chickpeas start shaking and moving all around. All right, anyway, and I'm gonna sprinkle some salt on it because, again, like I told you, I'm a salty G. I'm a salty girl. I love salt. Okay, not too salty, but all right, whatever. But the thing about what I love about this is that although all I'm doing is coconut oil and salt, that's all I want for today, these can actually be remixed any kind of way, okay? You can throw a little ranch seasoning, the ranch salad dressing seasoning. You can throw a little bit of that on there, why not? But again, you want to put the coconut oil. You know what's also good, but I didn't have it here, and I like to use it, the avocado spray. Do you use the avocado cooking spray? I like that. It's really good. And again, avocado oil can take the heat, and it's a good fat, yo. So you definitely, coconut, avocado oil is it. See? I gotta taste this a little bit just to make sure it has enough salt, which I believe it does. Okay, so anyway, beans, the reason why we love beans, the reason why we should be snacking on beans is because beans support weight management, balances our blood sugar, aids in digestion, gut health, okay, supports muscle maintenance. I want muscles all over my body. Supports heart health, okay, provides long-lasting energy. Yes. Okay. And honestly, our daughter Avery, she loves her chickpeas. So I cannot wait for her to try this. Baba normally makes her some curry chickpeas. So I think these snacks are going to go over really, really well. So that's it. That's all we're going to do. I've seasoned it. I've oiled it. I'm going to pop it in the air fryer and come back with some TV magic to some really great gut healthy, belly flat, protein rich, fiber rich snack that we can feel good about. Okay, so I'm gonna go put this in the air fryer. I'll be right back, yo. Ooh. I am back with the snacks. Nikki is back with the snacks, okay. Just got them out of the air fryer. Check this out. Can you see it? Can you see it? And got it in this cute little bowl. It's still hot, but I don't care. These are seriously so good. This is so good. So yummy. I could eat this all the time. And you know what else? I mean, eat them just like this, right? Or you can place this on top of a really yummy salad, yo. Why not? Instead of croutons, crispy chickpeas, right? Instead of the croutons that don't love us, though we love it. God knows I love the bread. But this, I actually really do love these, and these love me back. And I'm all about that. Okay? I'm all about that. Love me, because I love you. Love me back. These are it. Protein and fiber. Salty. I know the perfect show to watch these with. Why? Why do snacks taste better with our shows? Why? I really want to know. But I do know that if Avery doesn't hurry up, she ain't gonna get no more of these. Because I'm gonna finish it. So freaking good. Listen, y'all gotta try this. Okay? Again, it's super simple. Regular Goya can of chickpeas. Rinsed. You gotta rinse it. Okay, drain and rinse. And I use coconut oil, but you're free to use whatever oil that you like as long as it has a high smoking point, yo, okay? Because it is gonna go in the air fryer or in the oven at about 400. About the lowest is 375 to 400. Throw it up into 400 if you're gonna be there and you're gonna really pay attention to it, okay? Because you don't want them to burn. You definitely don't want to lose your chickpeas here, okay? But these were in for about 20 minutes. They're so good. Girl, stop eating this. Okay, let me stop. Let me wrap this up. So yeah, give it a try. Eat it just like this. Throw it on your salads. Protein and fiber. It's where it at. You know you want to get that bowels moving, G. And you want those lean muscle mass, right? You want that healthy gut biome, right? You want those energy levels up, right? Yeah, so this is how we're snacking. This is 2025. We're growing up, yo. We're snacking on legumes. We're snacking on our veggies, all right? Anyway, I'm out, yo. I'm gonna peace out on you so I can eat these. Remember, 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 every day may not be good, but there is good in every day. And you are my good. I'm so grateful for you to be here with me. I'm so grateful that I'm finally showing up for me too, yo. Let's hear it for that. Anyway, mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you, I love you, I love you. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Let me hear from you, okay? Yeah, yo, but whatever you do, just make sure you come back here. You hear? Because you know I'm a lady. And you know I'm here giving it up. Because I believe that we go together. Because I believe that we're in a relationship, not a situationship. What are you trying to tell me? Don't we go together? What is this? Yeah, we do. Anyway, mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you. I'm peacing out. I'm going to eat my snacks. I want you to have some. I want you to give this a try. Peace.